Hi guys, it's Catherine from the Australian Wool Store. Today I'm going to show you how to knit the lace from the Alexanda Shawl. I've just got a little sample here that I've knitted up. So I've knitted 2 repeats. There's the first repeat here. There's the second. And I've actually knitted it in an 8-ply cotton in Tangerine. I'm swatching this because I'd like to make a top, a cotton top, and use this little lace pattern as the edging. Now it's an 11 stitch repeat by 8 rows. I've actually cast it on in 10-ply cotton now, so let me grab that and I'll show you how to knit it. So I've cast on 22 stitches. I'm using 10-ply and a 5mm needle. So in my orange sample I used an 8-ply and a 5mm needle. I just want to know which one's going to sit better. I have a feeling it's the 8-ply, but we won't know till we try. So row 1 is pearl. There we are, row 1, pearl. Row 2, let me read it out to you. It's SSK, knit 3 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 behind, knit 2 together. So SSK, knit 3 behind. That's where you knit into the back leg of the stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 behind, and then knit 2 together. Let's repeat that. So SSK, knit 3 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 behind, and then knit 2 together. Whoops, I split the yarn. There we are. Row 3 is a pearl row. In this pattern, row 1, row 3, row 5 and row 7 are all pearl. And they're the wrong side of the garment or shawl. Now row 4, SSK, knit 2 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, yarn over, knit 2 behind, knit 2 together. Let's start. Slip, slip, knit, knit 2 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, yarn over, knit 2 behind, and knit 2 together. Let's repeat that. SSK, knit 2 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, oops, SSK, jumping ahead of myself, yarn over, knit 2 behind, and knit 2 together. Row 5 is purl. .22 stitches. Row 6. It reads SSK, knit 1 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over SSK twice, yarn over, knit 1 behind, knit 2 together. So slip, slip, knit, knit 1 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, repeat that again, yarn over, knit 1 behind, and knit 2 together. Let's repeat that. So SSK, knit 1 behind, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over SSK twice, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1 behind, and knit 2 together. And I think I split the stitch. There we are. It's one thing about knitting with cotton, very easy to split it. Row 7 is purl. And then row 8. It reads SSK, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over SSK 3 times, yarn over, knit 2 together. SSK, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over SSK 3 times, that's 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 2 together, and we'll repeat that. Slip, slip, knit, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK 3 times, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 2 together. There you have it. 2 repeats of the lace pattern for the Alexanda Shawl. Just let me get the focus on that for you. There's not much of a difference between the 10 and the 8 ply, but I'm leaning towards the 8 ply. What I think I'll do is carry on with both the swatches, take them off, wash them, block them, put them through their paces and see which one's going to stand up. I quite like the thickness of the 10 ply, but it's for a summer top, so the 8 ply might be more suitable. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel and come over and like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. It's Catherine@theaustralianwoolstore.com. Thanks so much for watching.